Before we get into this, if we can pause that. Normally I sit in here with Mike during that part, and I'm going to try and do this without. I told Tim I wasn't sure if I could do this. It's been a rough week for my family, and I don't know how we could make it through what we're going through right now without our relationship with Christ. So I just want to clear that, because it bothers me that I got up and left while you did that, because it's almost like I didn't want anything to do with it. But
and that's good you said that. But and I want to encourage you with 2 Corinthians chapter 1 verses 3 and 4. It got me through my mother's death, my father's death, and I learned something really cool from it too. There's people I've refused comfort from before.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Right.
Like I don't really like that person. I want them to give me a hug.
Right.
Then I read these verses and they say, blessed be the God of all comfort. So that person giving me a hug, that was God trying to comfort me, and I went.
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's good. Yeah, so I just wanted to step out just so I wasn't a mess and we could get through those.
Yeah.
So let's talk about this. Let's talk about this 2022 Wildcat 271ML. Again, so new that we don't even have the
no price. Yeah. Kind of amazing that we got this sneak peek. Glad we can share it with you guys, that you can see them before even other dealers have seen them. It's just absolutely amazing. So I hope you enjoy it. Yeah. I hope you've enjoyed the whole day of the sneak peeks.
I only talked to one person. People are watching, so that's good. I only talked to one person that I actually asked about it. She said it's great. She said she was loving it, because we kind of concerned, like, will this work?
Right.
We had no other way to get into these 2022s besides doing it this way.
No, we really wanted to be able to walk around and do what we normally do, and that wasn't going to happen.
Yeah, we'll get around and walk in some of these at some point soon. But
and
this will work for
with
now.
this Wildcat, if you don't know, Wildcat's been around forever, for over 20 years. Great line of fifth wheel. Normally that's all they do is fifth wheels. Once in a while they'll come out with a travel trailer, but we can go ahead and start rolling it.
All right.
Wildcat's headed back to the white exterior. For years we've been grays and browns and beige and stuff like that. So they're headed back white. Beautiful graphics. Their front caps are just amazing too on these things. You see the LED lighting and stuff. But if you look inside, you've got a front king bed. You've got tons of storage above, and on the sides of that bed you've got another huge wardrobe. Now we're going to pop inside. You're going to see the rear kitchen real quick. Kind of cool how they have that window back there.
Yeah,
right?
I like that.
Yeah, very large cooktop again.
The backsplash to the stove.
Yeah,
that's cool.
No, it really is kind of neat. You got the microwave up top again. You've got a nice size RV refrigerator, huge pantry. We can keep moving.
Yeah, I think the pantry is right there above your head. Yeah, I mean that's
all hard wood cabinets again, which is really nice. This sink is pretty incredible.
Yeah, I love that the sink overlooks the kitchen area, or the living area.
And because as you're preparing food and stuff, there you are. You can actually talk to your guests. The other thing I love about that sink is so big you could actually fit a pot in it.
Yeah.
And as crazy as this sounds, a lot of times when we camp, you got a big pot to clean.
Yeah.
What do you do with it? You end up cleaning it outside.
Right.
Yeah, just kind of gross.
Good observation.
Nice living area again. Tons of storage. Going to go up into the bedroom, and again, you have a king bed in the bedroom. Tons of space on both sides. Kind of feels wide open. I don't know if you've ever, if you sleep in an RV bed where it's open like that, it has a totally different feel than when your head is up next to a cabinet.
I would say that, not having shelves above that bed does make it feel wide open. But I noticed on the side a vanity or a wardrobe slide looked like, and then I think on the floor plan, I saw around the corner there, like in front of where you are, I think is another closet.
Yeah, and see, because the wardrobe slides out, you have all that space. You could open up the space. I wish I could do this. I wish I could do what you do. I can't do it. Kind of. But you open up all that space, and it just makes it so much more comfortable to sleep.
Right.
It really does.
Touch this light right up here.
No, I'm not doing it.
Go for it. Come on. Everybody wants to see you do it.
No, 2 college degrees, and I can't point at a darn thing. It's amazing.
Oh, so okay, there you go. Okay, so the door actually doesn't go to a closet. The door goes into the bathroom.
Yeah.
It looks like. Okay.
Yep. Circles right around. But notice that slide goes all the way in there too.
So
you've got a really large slide. Yeah.
Right.
Tons and tons of space. You got a beautiful round shower so that if you dropped a bar of soap and you bent down, it wouldn't pop open.
Again, I had that out of my head. That vision out of my head there for a minute. Big old TV.
Yeah, nice smart TV.
I think it says 50 inch.
It's nice that they're catching up in the RV industry and starting to use smart TVs.
Yeah.
Kind of a downer for people when they got these brand new TVs and they weren't smart.
Right.
Especially now that everyone's using streaming services. So that's pretty cool.
Absolutely. You need that on these TVs.
Again, shot of the kitchen, the living space area. You've got the seating is amazing, these things. That little
there's that pantry.
Couch slash theater seating is so comfortable. It's really quite shocking. And again, the mattress is amazing. I mean, the mattress is very, very comfortable.
Right.
And there's some of the, there's a slide out storage, and you
slide.
can see there's just tons and tons of space in there.
I think yeah.
My wife could put a hurt on that thing.
Right.
She could fill it quick.
Yeah, pretty quickly.
Yeah.
All right, so that's it. That's the walkthrough for the 2022 Wildcat 271ML. Price
and again, if you're not familiar, I'm kind of surprised, but Wildcat built absolutely amazing fifth wheel.
Okay.